seat over there.
You take your jacket off as well, please.
Sorry?
You take your jacket off.
Of course. Thanks.
Before we start, do you have any sharp objects and I can use it as a weapon at all on your body?
I got a key ring, but that's not
Key
really
ring?
sharp.
That's grand. Right. Just going to ask you to stand, please.
Stand. Sure.
Yes. Alright. Hands out. Here. Legs apart.
That's it.
We did ask you to empty your pockets, sir, when you first came in.
Okay, sorry, I just put my wallet away as I was asked.
And a phone.
It did specifically say mobile phones.
I'm getting a bit mixed up here. How did you know about Fiona? And why are you here to speak to her?
It all started some weeks ago. Some people...
How many weeks ago? Some?
About 6, I think.
6 weeks ago, right.
And then some people started receiving letters. In the letters, they were about a person called Carla Arnim.
Carla Arnim?
Yes.
But she sent you here to try and find her missing daughter?
She's not actually been sending us here, we've been tracking her here.
You've been tracking her here?
The girl, yeah. Well, the
So
young
why
lady.
is the mother not tracking her? Why is she sending you to do it?
Because maybe she's not as...
That's... honestly, right.
But I'm still not aware of why I'm actually here right now.
You need to tell... I know why you're here. The other 2 friends have told me why you're here. Why you're here. And why you did it.
What?
What do you mean what? You know what?
No.
No, you do.
I met up with somebody yesterday and that's all.
Somebody. Somebody who's...
We all met up with a person.
A person?
Night. Yeah.
Who's a person?
Fiona Hayward, I think.
Fiona... Who? Sorry?
Fiona Hayward, I think.
Fiona. Fiona. Fiona what?
Hayward.
What?
Hayward.
Hayward.
Yeah.
Hayward. Continue.
And then we talked to her yesterday.
Talk to Fiona.
To Fiona.
Right.
And then she suddenly left.
She suddenly left. Why would she suddenly leave?
We had a kind of disturbing story for her because we believe we find out that her parents are not actually her real parents.
It was half past
11.
11.
Half past 11,
Yeah.
right. Quality, 11:30, right.
Yeah, and we there was this guy,
What guy?
the ex-boyfriend of Fiona.
He told us that Fiona is his ex-girlfriend,
Right.
and that he was trying to talk to her at the Gifford Arms, but then he saw it wasn't Fiona.
How could he mistake his girlfriend for somebody else? His ex-girlfriend?
He said when she was talking to us, he only saw her
Fucking
from
buying this.
behind.
He said that Fiona wasn't actually Fiona.
But she came 10 minutes late.
Fiona, I think you said it wasn't Fiona in your meeting.
Well, at this point we thought, okay, we meet with Fiona and it's her.
Right.
We had only seen a picture.
I'm just going to interrupt you here because we're just saying the same old story over and over again and it's not sounding very convincing. So if you'd just like to consider for a moment everything that you're going to say in this interview, because it will and can be held against you in a court of law.
Yeah.
So I want you to think very, very carefully about these answers and answer to the best of your knowledge and of your conscience as well.
Yeah. Yeah, well, I only tell the truth.
Okay, well I'm just going to ask another question now before we start this same story again. What was your exact involvement with Mòrag Friskin?
We didn't know her and we met another person yesterday. His name was Jan, I don't know his last name.
You don't know his last name. You met these guys. I'm telling you, man. This is fucking horseshit.
We'll go back to Jan in a minute. Thank you.
This is fucking horseshit, man.
He told us that the person we met was Mòrag and not Fiona.
Mòrag Friskin.
Yeah.
So you did in fact last night meet Mòrag Friskin in the pub?
Jan said, yeah. I don't know. I cannot, I have never seen those 2 people.
Okay.
So I don't know.
Well, Miss Friskin has been murdered. Her body was found in the early hours of this morning.
Okay.
And you are actually the last witness and her last contact. And on the body there was a mobile phone number. Now we've traced that telephone number back to your travel agency and back to you. So I'm sure you can now appreciate that you're in a very, very suspicious position from our point of view. Because not only are you the last contact but your telephone number was found on her body.
Yeah.
You have obviously means to kill her, and an as yet unknown motive. Let's say for a minute that you didn't kill her, and
Yeah, let's say that. I
I'm
would
not-
be very happy about that.
I'm not gonna lie, it's not looking good because the last contact, your mobile phone number was found on her body.
Actually, not mine.
I'm gonna have to ask you not to leave the city until further notice,
Alright,
and we'll be in contact with you.
okay.
Okay, if you'd like to just follow me, please.